Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. And आज है 4th of January and सुबह के हो रहे हैं 5:30. I woke up at 4:30. I don't know. I feel fresh for a change. So I thought I will not waste my time on the bed. I'll get up, read namaz and edit a video that has to go live today. So let us do that. I've already taken a shower, so I'll be doing my hair and skincare, and let's see what I vlog today. I've put you guys on the tripod. I hope you guys are comfortable. So first, let's start off with some skincare, shall we? This eye is just causing me a lot of trouble. I am thinking of going and checking with an ophthalmologist as to what is wrong with it. Like something is triggering and I want to know what. I hope it's not my lenses. Thinking of discarding them and getting new ones, because otherwise I don't know what could be the issue. For the hair, trusty old L'Oreal. Oh, by the way, you guys are on charge, so if you see a wire hanging, that is that. Because I forgot to charge the whole night. I just dozed off. I was really tired. Okay, so that's that. I am having the sudden urge of, cutting my hair short, not as if they were growing really long. And but I don't know, I'm having the urge of cutting them short. Also, I am taking a break on coloring my hair. So if you see grays, I mean, embrace it, okay? I am embracing it as well. I am not coloring my hair for some time. I want to grow my hair out. They've become extra fragile. And look at that. They become really bad. So I'm just trying to give them a break. And let's see. Pretty much the analytics on my channel are so down at this time, so down, because last couple of vlogs didn't do that well and I was feeling so bummed about it, and I literally didn't want to upload anything because I was like, what's the point? Like, I'm not getting views or anything, and I'm seeing people making such trashy content and yet they are having a lot of subscribers. I just don't know what I am doing wrong. So I was feeling really demotivated, and I'm just trying to start all over again. Let's see. I just don't want to be demotivated because this channel was never about views and likes and all of that. But then, as much as you think that you're not going to be affected by this, but you see other people putting like literally such bad content. I shouldn't be telling, I shouldn't be judging, but still I'm just venting out over here. And they're putting such bad content and yet they are at such good levels. And um, I'm seeing the views and I'm seeing the, I'm seeing the views and I'm seeing also the subscribers. It kind of hurts you a little bit because, I mean, I don't think I put that bad of a content. So any which ways, I'm trying my best to improve before I can judge others and, call anybody out. So that's what is happening. अभी मैं फजर की नमाज़ पढ़ूँगी 5:40 आई थिंक तक टाइम है. आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट थोड़ा सा स्किन केयर कर लूँगी, फिर आई विल रीड नमाज. I'm also planning to do my vision board. I took the time out on Sunday to kind of think exactly kya I want to achieve this particular year, because of everything that happened in 2024. I was thinking of not making any vision board because last year I just survived, I just existed. So I was feeling like hopeless and I was having no goals. तो मैं इसीलिए बनाने नहीं वाली थी. फिर I don't know, I just gave myself a pep talk and I said it's okay, life happened and you need to move on and hope for better things. Okay, not me making everything fall. So that is what I am doing right now. I am using Wishcare Ka sunscreen. I absolutely love this. Doesn't sting my eyes and it's very lightweight. And pretty much in the mornings it's super humid. So this is perfect for me. I am putting my sunscreen at 6 o'clock. I know it's too early, but then what the hell? I will not wait for the sun to actually come up. I'll do that before. Also, another thing that I've been slacking on really badly is having my medicines. I have not been, I was in such a very low point in my life, especially in December, that I was not having it. Like, there was a part in December where I was like motivated and I was ready to tackle things and everything, and then you know I hit the slump again and it was so bad. So I was so vulnerable by the end of the year. So yeah, now I'm just again trying, because what is life when if you don't try, right? When I hit the slump, I think when I fell in the water tank, like everything was like going well, and then I fell in the water tank, and I was like, why, God, why? I was supposed to be traveling, I had plans, and then again, something like that happened. So it just put me, off the tracks. So, yeah, that is where I hit the lowest of low, and then when one domino falls, the entire thing falls. So that's pretty much what happened. This is all the hair that is left. For lips, I only trust Vaseline's Total Lip Care, because I see a lot of lip balms and they all have kojic acid and things of that sort. Lip brightening, lip whitening, I don't know what nonsense. I don't want any of that. I am happy with the color of my lips, no matter what they are. Damaged them really badly because of using all those lip balms, because they don't suit me because they don't suit me any which ways. I am good to go. I am all good, cleaned up. Let's read namaz. Already I've done 8 minutes. Like, what am I gonna shoot for the rest of the day? I need to cut things in between. I'm sure I need to cut things. Okay, let us read namaz, and before we read namaz, let me just drink some water. Maybe I'll edit out a lot of parts. Let's see. I'm having my tablets. अब देख रहे हो मेरा टेबल कितना मेसी है। रेडी होके मैं बाहर चली गई, मॉल, नेक्सस मॉल चली गई, एंड सफ़ी की स्कूल स्टार्ट होने से पहले हम लोगों को उसको की थोड़ी बहुत आउटिंग ले जानी थी, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट वी डिड। सफ़ी इज़ समी's सन, एंड मैं और समी की वाइफ गए थे बच्चों के साथ, एंड वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन, स्पेंट अ गुड 2-3 hours over there, played inside in the arcade games as well, and then we had a lot of food, ice cream, junk, you name it, we had that. Then हमें neighbors की engagement पे जाना था, and same outfit मैंने पहन लिया because I was not finding anything to wear, and then we had such yummy food. Came home to find myself to a Meesho parcel, तो उसको हमने अनबॉक्स किया, मेरे हस्बैंड ने अनबॉक्स किया, एंड मुझे सेटअप करने में हेल्प किया। वो नहीं होते तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है। थैंक यू हस्बैंड।
इतना बड़ा स्टैंड है?
वो तो चौड़ा नहीं है, इतना 6 स्क्वायर कैसा बड़ा हुआ?
ऐसा बैठता नहीं है, राइट? से लॉकिंग
नीचे का वो
और एक कहाँ है, समझ में नहीं आया मुझे।
That stand वो
वो मुझे मालूम हो रहा है बेब, मैं बोल रहा हूँ सो इसे एक हुआ, एक हुआ।
नहीं 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 नहीं, ऊपर एक नीचे एक गर्द, वो टच स्टैंड वो पानी
ये क्या
रखने
वास्ते
का।
है?
ये साइड के बॉर्डर्स हम ना होना था ना पानी रखना। वो टी कुट का पूरा खराब हो जा रहा ना।
पैनल भी देखो फिर चल गया इसके।
फ्रेश न्यूज़ पेनर। और नीचे के पावा
नहीं, नीचे क्या पवाई है?
आ रहा ना स्किन नहीं।
नहीं नहीं अंदर मत, बाहर तो मार लगता है बे।
अच्छा
अच्छा,
हम्म
जेल कैसा दिख रहा है बेबी?
हम्म
जेल कैसा का दिख रहा है एक?
नीचे कैन भी रख लीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा कैन।
अच्छा,
Hey guys, good morning. ये नेक्स्ट डे है एंड आई फॉरगॉट टू टेक द एंडिंग ऑफ द व्लॉग। मैं सोचा था बहुत फिल्म करूँगी उसके बाद भी, बट आफ्टर वी असेंबल द वाटर स्टैंड आई डोंट नो क्या ट्रिगर हुआ। मैं किचन क्लीन करने बैठ गई थी एंड ट्राइपॉड रखना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था। आई just ended up doing almost 80% of the organizing and cleaning, sorting and all of that, and I will show that in the next vlog. So I will end this over here and start a fresh one. So I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. You guys take care and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification button. And before you leave a comment. It just boosts my morale, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe and keep smiling. Mwah.